testing 1 2, testing 1 2 to see how the mic sound because I ain't never tried the mic out yet. So can you hear me, little bitch? Okay,
I don't know if there's places to sit down or like places that we could go to sit because I have chairs.
Period. But didn't we come here for that thing a couple years back? Remember they had it was kind of like a whole bunch of grass.
Yeah.
And then
this was my parents?
No, just me and you. It was a whole bunch of grass, and then the middle had like a little stadium where they had little stuff going on at.
I don't quite remember.
It?
All right, pink and sparkly.
You gotta go and get up on here, y'all. You got your mic on? Your mic on?
Oh, I know that smell. I know that smell. I know it well.
But yeah, we're making it to. It's like we at the fair, y'all.
Hey, don't clean.
What is? What once? Hey y'all, this where we at. Me and Twinsky at Drum Central Park. We're here. About to go review some food.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, right now.
I think that's the cops on the hunt for weed. Yeah, it smells like weed.
Smell like weed. So we better go review something. Talk food. Yeah. All right, let's get to it.
Yes, let's get to it, shall we?
Let's get to it. Oh. We got peacefully made to just spot. Oh God. What's this called? Taco.
Rice taco. I ain't gonna lie, overstimulated.
I feel like we had Jamaican food. We need like all the time. I feel like
I really oxtails again. Oxtails again. I have to get oxtails. Okay. But I thought I'm like, I can put oxtails. Alright.
yeah, I ain't straight up all the time.
He's in there. And I'm looking at me. By me, I mean my mind.
We'll walk slower. Since it's loud, it's the best time to see if it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, politics. What's that?
I was very you happy to know me, so no, I don't like rock.
My shit on? My shit on?
You don't I really. Say, I feel like I feel like yeah, they have live practice. It's just all right. It's full summer. Oh, that's not too. Yeah. All right, y'all. Yeah, a little. Ooh, even a little. It wasn't until I got second step off, like, oh.
Yeah, I'm like,
More than a little.
not at all.
It was raining 2 days ago.
It was.
For past day, not today though.
I don't know who that is. So I'm gonna look it.
I saw on TikTok right before I got here, or maybe it was while I was waiting for to get here. This lady saying, "I'm performing at 8:15."
I'm looking at somebody whole.
Oh, that's a whole lot of cheese.
Hold up, please. All right.
What? I smell jumping out.
This what I'm on. All right.
Ooh, well. Okay, fly drone. So apparently they probably got some good wings. We probably got any good wings.
Oh, yeah. You want to get your face painted?
Huh?
You want to get your face painted?
Absolutely not.
Does it look what? Okay in this lighting? Yes, it looks perfect. Okay. I want to make sure, the light hit them.
No, it looks great.
Gotta make sure they won't let it.
No, you're not scaring the people.
I saw a lot of eyes. I know they were scared or not.
No, it's because of how pretty you are. They don't know what to do. It's the last day of Black History Month.
Yeah. All right.
Purchase your tracks today.
Reevaluation. So, we done seen what we need to see.
Yeah.
They got all
Wow.
Oh.
Guess whose mic wasn't on the whole time? Mine.
I don't think mine was on either.
It's okay. That was more views anyway. I wasn't really talking. Y'all can just get the vibe. Y'all can just catch the vibe.
I think it's on now.
Okay, period. Well, I'm glad I realized as we were doing this recap.
You want to tell me about y'all?
So far, crowded, a lot of people, young, old. They did. They showed out. And I saw some folks saying 11, but 3 to 10, all day long. The last day of Black History Month. Huh?
I got you, but
Oh, sorry.
no, you're good.
Okay, yeah. Because I don't have my thing is short.
Oh, okay.
So I'm like having a harder time. But, yeah. That's what we got going on so far. Now, the hunger is beginning to rise. When the hunger rises too high, you start losing, you start to lose it.
Yeah.
So we need to figure out what we're getting.
That's some of us started before I wanted to do it, so.
Oh, you have to tell me what you have to tell me.
Yeah, but I gotta be off camera.
Oh, yeah, no, that's okay.
Sure. Yeah, bullshit.
Okay,
We're gonna go find some food. I'm gonna let her know this. These real quick. We'll be back in the room, y'all. Okay, yeah, I'm doing another mic check because I'm like, no.
I don't want to.
your tracks today.
Purchase your tracks today. Let's get it. Oh. One time to the home and trip, what it do? Salute. Saturday night, look for sound like this. Big old sound downtown Durham. Whoa. For the full cold jump. Free boom truck rolling right here. Right now. We still technically. Back it up. They turn to your right, let's go. Right foot, left foot, turn. Right foot, left foot, turn. I love you. If you black and you proud of me, I love you to who? I love you. I love you. One more time. Let's do it one more time. Let's do this. Let me tell y'all something. It's strength in numbers. Let the world see it. We're going to do it again, Khalil. And we want the world to hear
The
it.
enemy.
They
Say
try
it again, Khalil. On three, we going to say I love you. Look at your neighbor. Look at the person beside you. And don't
Neighbor.
You know that it's your cousin, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin.
Oh.
It don't matter. Put one fist in the air right now and look at your neighbor and say I love you. 1, 2, 3.
I love you.
Oh, like that. That's what I'm talking about. Bull City. Let's go. Ready to build? I'm ready. Let's do this.
JB Morrow, go and get your bag.